I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Finder and revealing the dock because Mac OS uses trash instead of a Windows-style recycle bin. Click the smiling Finder icon in the dock to ensure a Finder window is active. This primes the system to show file controls. Once done, glance to the far right end of the dock. Trash is a bin icon there. If you don't see the dock, move your cursor to the screen edge or press Command plus Option plus D to toggle it. This uncovers trash quickly. Next, open Trash to inspect and manage items so you know what will be recovered or deleted. Single-click the trash icon to show its contents in a Finder window, and scroll or sort by date modified to prioritize files. Right-click the bin for quick actions like empty trash or put back to restore selected items. This is faster than dragging. If you need a specific file, use the Finder search box within Trash and filter by name, kind, or date to locate it precisely. Finally, restore or permanently remove items depending on your intent. To recover, select files and choose Put Back so they return to their original folders. This preserves organization. To free space, choose Empty Trash. Hold Option while emptying to bypass the confirmation prompt for speed. Make sure to check storage impact afterward. If you cannot delete or restore files, restart Finder via Force Quit or Check. Get info for file locks and permissions. Adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.